What's up, my lovely people? Welcome back to my vlog. So, today is a lovely day. I'm day off. So is Eldon's mom. So, we are gonna go out to central London on a lovely date. So, today I'm come to the Regent's Park. Just came on my off day to stroll around. I needed a break very badly. So, I requested for 3 days off, and my manager was very considerate and he gave me 3 days off. Much needed break, and the weather is also so nice. It's beautiful. It is a little cold but not very cold. Right now they are preparing for winter, so they are planting thing plants, like these ones. I think in the summer planting the flowers and everything, and now they started planting these ones. So me and Alvin's mom came out to Rome today, and we came to spend some time to enjoy without them because it's our day today. It's our date. We are on a date. There will be clips. No, this is pretty fun. I've also taken a few pictures of her and I'll post it today. I'll post it by the end of the vlog. She's very pretty. So this is the map of the park. We are here, and this is the cafeteria. So we are here. We're gonna go for the coffee up over here. Then we're gonna go to Queen's Mary's Garden. So let's go. So we stopped by this cozy coffee shop for a nice cup of tea and coffee, and we had a lovely time there sitting and chatting around. We preferred to sit down and chat for some time since it was very cold outside. Look who I found. I found old man. Oh my god. We had our coffee break and we are come to check out this side of the park. The one I showed you in the earlier. I think it's Queen's Mary Park. Good thing there are toilets in every park, so you don't have to run from one end to the other end of the park. But you need to have your contactless card because it's around 20p per entry. So when you enter, you just tap your card and then that's it. But it's good for the maintenance and for the cleaning purposes. They charge you for all of that. People who garden in parks and in public, there are certain public places they do plantation of the plants when the season changes. Some of them I had spoken to, they do it for voluntary purposes. Some of them really love it, and that is one of the reasons they come for voluntary, because they love spending their time with plants and all. Second reason is they want to learn more. Some are students who come to learn about it, who are put like into places so that they can learn about the plant and everything. So it's nice, good experience. Look at these two. So guys, now we're going to enter into the park section of all the roses, which has beautiful roses. If my grandmom was here, definitely she would have spent her whole day here. She loves roses a lot. She loves gardening a lot. So let's go. Let's go. So each section, they have the type of roses, the name of the rose, champagne celebration. What's up, lovely lady? Isn't this so pretty? I love the name as well. Lovely lady. Precious time. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I never knew they have names like this. Was it names or it's just, I don't know what to say now. Keep smiling. Aww. So if you want to give somebody to say, like, keep smiling, please give them yellow roses. I never knew about them. Guys, if you all know anything about roses, please comment down. Message me, let me know. Okay, this is French. I'm going to leave it to the French people and the people who speak French to... No, is this French or this is Italian? Aww. I don't know whether you can see from here, but inspiration. Nostalgia. If don't judge me just because I'm not reading some of the names. I'm just too scared to mispronounce it and then being laughed at, so I'm just going to avoid it. Pink perfection. Yeah. Garden glory. No, I don't think these are rose names. I don't think so. There's some reason they have kept this area like that. Song and dance. Whoopee. Eldon, if you're watching this vlog, you know which roses to get for me. These ones. These ones. Okay. Everybody, please message Eldon. Please let him know that he has to get for me these roses. All my loving. This is the color that we used to have in our garden as well. This is so pretty. I love this color. Rock and roll. Okay, I'm gonna pause here and restart it again because I want to take some pictures of the roses as well and send my granny. So I spoke to my granny. I showed her the flowers and stuff. So I think they were saying the rosary, and she was so. I spoke to her and she was so happy about it. No, she looked at it and she was like, "Wow, this is so beautiful" and stuff like that. So she doesn't say this word, but I'm just putting this word. But yeah, she really loved the pictures and everything. So now let me continue with the video. So behind me is the rose garden. Okay, the entire section. Let me turn the camera. So entire section is rose garden. See, entire. This is the Queen's Mary garden, and over here, hello. He's like, good, good, good. You have a small lake. Looks very beautiful. Can't have enough of this. This is just one part, little bit, no, bits by bits, everything is there. There is more to it over here. I'm not sure that I'll be able to cover it today. If not, I'll try and come back again to cover this place. See you in a bit. We're gonna go to that place now and take some more pictures because that's what we love doing. Take pictures. Ah! I found this looking so pretty. Isn't it looking so pretty? It's like pretty. If it was in India, right, I would not even go close to it, thinking somebody else would have come up over there and be like, hello. But here, I think it's safe. Maybe because in my mind it's like it's London. Can't be anyone. They won't give them visas and passports to come here. You all are facing enough problems. Bye bye, Regent Park. Bye bye. Bye. So we had a good time. More of the vlog. I mean, the more I was not taking videos this time, like a lot of videos, but I was taking more of pictures. We enjoyed ourselves taking lots of pictures, and now if you can see, it's getting darker. So we're gonna start heading off home. So, out of the 100 pictures that I've clicked today, these are my favorite pictures of her. She looked amazing, happy, and we enjoyed our day to the fullest. Thank you for watching this vlog. See you all next time. Bye.